Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the HolidayPirates booking platform. HolidayPirates, a treasure trove of travel deals. In this video, we're diving deep into the HolidayPirates booking platform, a fantastic resource for travelers seeking exceptional deals. HolidayPirates excels at unearthing hidden travel gems, from deeply discounted flights and affordable hotels to all-inclusive vacation packages that you might not stumble upon elsewhere. It's designed with the budget-conscious traveler in mind, those who want to maximize their travel budget without endless searching. Whether your ideal trip is a last-minute getaway, a pre-planned family vacation, or a budget-friendly city break, HolidayPirates streamlines the process. The platform presents curated deals tailored to your preferences and budget, saving you valuable time and effort. A core strength of HolidayPirates is its proactive deal hunting approach. The site is constantly refreshed with new offers, spanning discounted flights, affordable vacation packages, and special promotions to a wide array of destinations. This dynamic approach caters to both spontaneous travelers ready to book on the spot and those who prefer to plan their adventures well in advance. Navigating the platform is a breeze thanks to its intuitive interface. You can easily explore various categories, from last-minute deals and family holidays to luxurious escapes. This flexibility allows you to tailor your search based on your travel style and budget. A standout feature is the vibrant HolidayPirates community, where users contribute their own travel deal discoveries, fostering a truly interactive and user-driven experience. Furthermore, the platform offers refined search filters, allowing you to narrow down options by departure airport, travel dates, and specific destinations. HolidayPirates caters to a broad spectrum of travelers, from weekend warriors seeking a quick escape to families and solo adventurers on the hunt for unique, budget-friendly experiences. The mobile app enhances this accessibility, allowing you to browse deals on the go and ensuring you never miss a potential travel bargain. In conclusion, if you're looking for incredible travel deals and appreciate flexible booking options, HolidayPirates is an excellent platform to consider. Its user-friendly interface, dynamic deal offerings, and active community of deal seekers make it the perfect tool for travelers who want to maximize their travel experiences without overspending. Check out the links in the description for more information and start planning your next adventure.